Hello everyone! Welcome to QuizzBytes, where today we'll dive into the exciting world of computer knowledge with our thrilling quiz. Are you ready to dive into the exciting world of technology? Let's test your digital prowess with a series of brain-teasing questions. Let's kick things off with question 1. What does CPU stand for? A. Central Processing Unit, or B. Central Power Unit? Correct! CPU stands for Central Processing Unit, the brain of the computer. Now, on to question 2. Which of the following is a web browser? A. Google Chrome, or B. Recycle Bin? Correct! Google Chrome is a web browser used to access the internet. Moving forward to question 3. What is the shortcut to undo an action? A. Alt plus U, or B. Control plus Z? You're right. Control plus Z is the shortcut to undo an action in most software applications. Proceeding to question 4. What type of software is Microsoft Word? A. Spreadsheet, or B. Word processing? Correct. Microsoft Word is a word processing software for creating documents. Now, let's explore question 5. What does HTML stand for? A. Hypertext Markup Language, or B. High-tech machine learning? Right on target. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, used for creating web pages. On to question 6. Which of the following is a programming language? A. Chrome, or B. Python? Correct. Python is a programming language used for various applications including web development and data analysis. Moving on to question 7. What is the purpose of RAM in a computer? A. Temporary storage, or B. Permanent storage? You're absolutely right. RAM provides temporary storage for data and programs that are actively in use by the computer. On to question 8. What is the standard protocol for sending emails? A. HTTP, or B. SMTP? Correct. SMTP, or Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, is the standard protocol for sending emails over the internet. Now, on to question 9. Which of the following is not an operating system? A. Excel, or B. Mac OS? Correct. Excel is a spreadsheet software, not an operating system. Proceeding to question number 10. What does URL stand for? A. Uniform Resource Locator. B. Ultimate Resource Library. Absolutely correct. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator, used to specify addresses on the internet. Well done to those who got it right. Moving on to question 11. What is the function of a modem? A. Modulate and demodulate, or B. Monitor? Correct. A modem modulates and demodulates digital signals to enable communication between devices over the telephone or cable lines. Let's dive into question 12. Which of the following is a type of malware? A. Firewall, or B. Virus? Spot on. A virus is a type of malware that can replicate itself and infect other files and systems. Now, on to question 13. What is the purpose of a firewall? A. Security, or B. Storage? You're absolutely right. A firewall acts as a barrier between a trusted internal network and untrusted external networks. Proceeding to question 14. Which programming language is commonly used for web development? A. JavaScript, or B. Adobe? Correct. JavaScript is a widely used programming language for creating interactive and dynamic content on websites. On to question 15. What does LAN stand for? A. Large Area Network, or B. Local Area Network? Absolutely correct. LAN stands for Local Area Network, a network that connects devices within a limited geographical area such as a home, office, or school. Now, let's explore question 16. What is the main function of a router? A. Network traffic management, or B. Printing? Right on target. A router manages network traffic by directing data packets between computer networks. Moving on to question 17. What is the purpose of a spreadsheet software like Microsoft Excel? A. Graphic design, or B. Data manipulation? Absolutely right. Spreadsheet software like Microsoft Excel is used for data manipulation, organizing, analyzing, and presenting data in tabular format. Proceeding to question 18. Which of the following is a type of computer memory? A. ROM or B. CPU? Correct. ROM, or read-only memory, is a type of computer memory that stores firmware and instructions that are permanently written during the manufacturing process and cannot be easily modified or erased by the user. Now on to question 19. What does ISP stand for? A. Internet Software Provider or B. Internet Service Provider? Absolutely correct. ISP stands for Internet Service Provider, which is a company that provides access to the internet for individuals and organizations. Moving forward to question 20. Which of the following is an example of an input device? A. Keyboard or B. Printer? Right on target. A keyboard is an input device used to enter data and commands into a computer system. Leading to question 21. What is a file extension? A. A type of computer case or B. A set of characters after a dot in a file name? You're absolutely right. A file extension is a set of characters after a dot in a file name, indicating the format or type of file and determining which program should open it. Now, on to question 22. Which programming language is used for database management? A. SQL or B. Ruby? Correct. SQL, or Structured Query Language, is a programming language used for managing and manipulating data in relational database management systems. Let's move on to question 23. What is the purpose of an operating system? A. Create documents or B. Manage computer hardware and software resources? Absolutely correct. An operating system is software that manages computer hardware and software resources. Proceeding to question 24. Which of the following is a cloud storage service? A. Google Drive or B. Adobe Photoshop? Right on target. Google Drive is a cloud storage service that allows users to store and access files from anywhere with an internet connection. On to question 25. What is the purpose of a graphics card? A. Play music or B. Render images? Correct. A graphics card, also known as a GPU, graphics processing unit, is a hardware component that is responsible for rendering images and graphics on a computer monitor or display. Now, let's proceed to question 26. What is the function of a DNS server? A. Store emails or B. Translate domain names to IP addresses? Absolutely correct. A DNS server translates domain. Moving forward to question 27. Which of the following is an example of system software? A. Operating system or B. Photoshop? Right on target. An operating system, such as Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, is an example of system software that manages computer hardware and provides a platform for running applications. Proceeding to question 28. What is the purpose of a search engine? A. Send emails or B. Retrieve information from the internet? Absolutely correct. A search engine is a web-based tool that retrieves and displays information from the internet based on user queries or keywords. Now, on to question 29. Which of the following is an example of volatile memory? A. RAM or B. Hard drive? You're absolutely right. RAM, or random access memory, is an example of volatile memory that temporarily stores data and program instructions while the computer is running. Let's move on to question 30. What does VPN stand for? A. Voice Processing Network or B. Virtual Private Network? Correct. VPN stands for Virtual Private Network, which is a secure connection that encrypts data transmitted between a user's device and a private network, ensuring privacy and security over public networks. Moving on to question 31. What is the purpose of a compiler? A. Convert code into machine language or B. Play videos? Correct. A compiler translates high-level programming code into machine-readable instructions for precise execution. Now, on to question 32. Which of the following is a file compression format? A. WAV or B. ZIP? Correct. ZIP compresses files for efficient transmission across digital highways. Next, question 33. What is the purpose of a CPU cooler? A. Improve internet speed or B. Keep the CPU temperature low? You're the guardian of digital coolness. A CPU cooler maintains optimal CPU temperature for smooth operation. Proceeding to question 34. Which of the following is an example of non-volatile memory? A. ROM or B. RAM? You're preserving digital legacies. ROM stores data permanently. Moving on to question 35. What is the purpose of a power supply unit, PSU? A. Convert AC power to DC power or B. Print documents? Absolutely correct. A PSU converts AC power for computer components to thrive. Now, let's paint the digital canvas with question 36. Which of the following is a commonly used file format for images? A. MP3 or B. JPEG? Right on target. JPEG captures images with stunning clarity. Moving to question 37. What is the purpose of a network switch? A. Charge devices or B. Connect devices in a network? Great job so far. Correct. A network switch connects devices for seamless communication. Proceeding to question 38. Which of the following is an example of an output device? A. Keyboard or B. Monitor? Absolutely right. A monitor displays digital content vividly. Now, let's unlock the secrets of digital speed with question 39. What does CPU cache do? A. Store frequently accessed data or B. Scan for viruses? Spot on. CPU cache stores frequently accessed data for fast execution. Moving on to question 40. Which of the following is an example of an application software? A. BIOS or B. Microsoft Word? Correct. Microsoft Word enables document creation. Now, let's fortify digital defenses with question 41. What is the function of an antivirus software? A. Improve computer speed or B. Protect against malware? Absolutely right. Antivirus protects against digital threats. Proceeding to question 42. Which of the following is a type of computer network? A. LAN or B. DVD? Correct. LAN connects devices in a localized area. Now, let's digitize the analog world with question 43. What does OCR stand for? A. Online chat room or B. Optical character recognition? Right on target. OCR converts printed text into digital characters. Moving on to question 44. What is the purpose of a UPS, uninterruptible power supply? A. Provide backup power during outages or B. Play music? Correct. A UPS provides backup power for uninterrupted operation. Now, let's capture images with question 45. Which of the following is a type of input device used to capture images? A. Printer or B. Scanner? Absolutely right. A scanner captures images with clarity. Proceeding to question 46. What is the function of a VPN? A. Secure internet connection or B. Improve sound quality? Correct. A VPN secures internet connections. Moving on to question 47. Which of the following is a popular open source operating system? A. Windows or B. Linux? You're embracing digital innovation. This is open source for collaboration. Now, let's serve digital delights with question 48. What is the purpose of a web server? A. Manage emails or B. Serve web pages to clients? You're the architect of digital experiences. A web server serves web pages to users. Proceeding to question 49. Which of the following is a type of network topology? A. CPU or B. Star? Correct. Star topology connects devices efficiently. Finally, let's unlock digital dreams with question 50. What does SSD stand for? A. Solid-state drive or B. Super speed drive? You're harnessing digital speed. SSD accelerates digital operations. And that concludes another exciting episode of QuizzBytes. We hope you enjoyed diving into the world of fun learning adventures with us. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more interactive quizzes, engaging puzzles, and educational entertainment. Together, let's continue to explore, learn, and grow. Until next time, stay curious and keep quizzing. Subscribe now for more QuizzBytes adventures.